Hey everyone, working through IXL's Algebra 1 skills, section double C, and in this video we're going to do identifying linear and exponential functions based on tables. We've done graphs in my previous two videos, and now we're going to focus on tables. I don't think anything here is going to blow your mind too much. All right, looking at this one, I see that every time x goes up 1, okay, so there's a pattern there with the x's. What happens to the y values? We see a decrease in 3 there, and a decrease in 3 there, and a decrease in 3 there. Since that's a constant rate of loss, that is linear. All right, so if you see a constant decrease or increase as x goes up by 1, that's linear. All right, on this one, same thing here. X is going up 1 every time. But what's happening to the y? Okay, this is an increase of 1, and this is an increase of 2. That right there tells you it cannot be linear. All right, but really that's not the pattern that we're looking for. What we really need to notice is that this is multiplied by 2, this is multiplied by 2, and 4 times 2 is 8. So that's what you'll notice when they're exponential. But, I mean, if you're just trying to fly through an IXL lesson, if it's constant addition or subtraction, it's linear. If it's not, it's not. All right, so again, as x is going up 1, what's happening to y? In this case, y is going down 4 here, but does it continue to go down 4? Yes, it does. Nope, it's actually going up 4, I'm sorry. So it does consistently go up 4, y, as x goes up 1. That makes it linear. As opposed to this one, and I always look at the x values, okay? You can't ignore those. What if it's jumping by increments bigger than 1 in cases? You got to consider that as well. But I notice this gets multiplied by 3, as does this. Or there's an increase or decrease of 30 and then a decrease by a lot more than 30. So constant multiplication, okay? The multiplication here tells us that it is exponential. Just two more quick examples here. So what's happening to x here? As x goes up 1, the y value goes down 7.1, and it continues to go down 7.1. So that is linear. And this one's kind of crazy looking, but again, the x values are going up by 1 every single time. And if those fractions are confusing you, there's no reason that we have to start down there. We could just look here. There's an increase of 14, and there's an increase of more than 14, 42. Okay, so that tells us that it's not linear. Okay, so it must be exponential. It's really just multiplication by 3. Okay, 7/3 times 3, the 3's would cancel out and leave you with 7. 7/9 times 3, or 1/3 of 7/9 would be 7/3. So that is exponential because it's constant multiplication of the y values. All right, identify linear and exponential functions from tables. You're going to do awesome on it. Let me know how it goes in the comments.